Member, welcome to new member class number 5. Today we want to learn about what is stem cell. So stem cell is an undifferentiated cell. In a simple term, means undeveloped cell. They have the capacity to differentiate themselves or develop themselves into 200 over types of adult cell with a specific function. And number 3, every stem cell they have a self-replicating capabilities, which means to say stem cell by their own, they can also duplicate. I use a graphic to explain a little bit further. So stem cell is an undifferentiated cell. And for example, today, your kidney cell was damaged. Your liver cell was damaged. Your brain cell was damaged. Your heart tissue was damaged. So how is your body going to repair those tissue? You have to use stem cell to differentiate into the corresponding cell to repair this. So at the same time, this stem cell also can replicate by themselves. So how does LifeWave works? Today, LifeWave can activate our stem cell via 2 mechanisms. So number 1, LifeWave can activate our dormant stem cell. Throughout our lifetime, we have a lot of stem cell which will not be utilized until we leave this world. So GHK copper is able to activate this sleeping or dormant stem cell so that we can increase the total amount of stem cell. So number 2, the self-replicating process of the stem cell, it will deteriorate. The efficiency of the duplication will drop. X39 is able to reset the gene expression, so ultimately every stem cell that you want to duplicate, there is no error. So every time when they duplicate, there is no loss of stem cell, so these garners will always have a sufficient amount of stem cell, if not more. Okay, now Chinese like to play mahjong. I think some people you play cards, and we always like to have joker or the fei in the mahjong because it can turn into any kind of card. So joker or fei is the stem cell in our body. Okay, very simple terms, yeah. So once you understand stem cell, you have to understand what is called regenerative medicine, because this is going to be a big topic for the years to come. In the first class, we talk about there are 3 pillars of health, and most people, we are disregarding about the degeneration of our organs. And if you talk about the common problem we are seeing today, like the osteoarthritis, liver failure, kidney damage, the heart attack, muscle degeneration, diabetes, isn't that these diseases are caused by degeneration of the cell? So regenerative medicine is to address all kind of degenerative diseases. Okay, so I just want to give you a perspective. Maybe 40 years ago, okay, you always heard about someone got a fever, someone got a cough, or flu, or pain, and then you go to a drugstore, you get ibuprofen, diphenhydramine, paracetamol, aspirin, steroid. All these are medication based, drug based. But the common problem we are looking today is a lot more different. We talk about dementia, we talk about your heart is very weak, we talk about arthritis, we talk about multiple sclerosis. So if you go there and talk to doctors, the doctor might answer you this way: I don't have a drug for your problem, I can't cure you with this, but I can only give you some medication that can slow down the deterioration process. Isn't it true? So is that possible that we try to grow back the nerve cell to cure dementia? Is it possible we try to restore the cardiomyocyte cells so that the cardiomyocyte cell can build back more cardiac muscle? Is it possible we try to regenerate more chondrocyte cells so that the chondrocyte cell can help me to build more cartilage? How about we try to regenerate more glia cell? And glia cell can help me to protect my neurons to avoid the MS. MS, not menstruation. So the medicine, the field of medicine that use these methods to cure the degenerative problems, we call regenerative medicine. And what we are seeing right now, we are moving from a medication-based medicine into a regenerative medicine. Okay, this is why it's so exciting and you have to understand. So here come the issue. If all kind of problem, we have to spend the money and time to understand each and different type of cell is going to take a long time and a lot of money. But we understand one thing. All kind of adult cell, they all are originated from one place, which is the stem cell. So this is why stem cell is the fundamental tools in regenerative medicine. Okay, so if you look at the publication since 20 years ago, any publication related to stem cell skyrocketed. Okay, now if you want to increase your stem cell, okay, now you realize degeneration of organ function is getting very serious. So in order to solve this, we have to go into regenerative medicine. When we talk about regenerative medicine, we talk about stem cells. So now how to increase your stem cell? This is the question. So in this slide, we are not talking about legality, because some of the treatment is legal in one country, might not be legal in another country. So we just say what are the options out there. So when you talk about stem cell treatment, you can broadly categorize into two. One is your own stem cell. Second is the foreign stem cell, which is from the donor. So when you look at the foreign stem cell, you talk about the stem cell transplantation. You have we always heard, oh, I have found a donor and I can get their stem cell is suitable for me. Okay, so this is a foreign stem cell transplantation. Okay, and we heard about some people, they say I can take the animal placenta and to enhance my stem cell. Okay, so this is under the foreign category. When we talk about your own stem cell, there are also two. So number one, you can also get your own stem cell, concentrate this, and then re-inject back into your body. Okay, later I will give you a medical term for all this kind of process. Okay, so and this another way is using phototherapy, which is LifeWave is using. Okay, these are the prices that we see in Malaysia, and I want you to take a look to decide which one is for you. I'm only here to help you to analyze. Number one, we talk about the suitability. Which is the best form of stem cell that you should get? Is it your own stem cell or foreign stem cell? Your own stem cell. The second, there are so many different kind of methods. Do you want to consume the supplements, or do you want to go to a medical hospital to receive the transplantation, or do you want to put a patch at the back of the neck where even your patch on your shirt it also work? Phototherapy is safest. When you talk about sustainability, you have to understand these things, right? Age reversal, or to reverse aging of your organ function, is not an overnight job. It takes time. It's just like you want to build a building. No matter how good is your cement, it still takes some minimum amount of hours in order for the concrete to set. Same thing like the regeneration of our organ function. So how can you make sure that you can continuously to regenerate or reverse aging of your organ function with sustainability in terms of the finance? So phototherapy provide the cheapest way. Number four is the win-win. LifeWave offer our products in a direct sales model. So if you see the product, if you see the result by yourself, you like the product, you can share the story with your friends, and then we get young together, and at the same time you can get a cheaper product because of the commission. So in a win-win situation, again, it's the left hand side who won. Okay, so in case you want to pass this information, or you want to speak to your medical doctors, I think it's good for me to give you some of the medical terms that they use. So if you want to talk about phototherapy, you use the word photobiomodulation, might be a more professional terms. So when you use your own stem cell, okay, extract it out, this is the whole process of autologous stem cell transplantations. So they have to go to the hospital, extract their stem cell. Oh no, before that, doctors has to prescribe you certain drugs to activate, to force your body to generate more stem cell. Okay, and then the stem cell is harvested from your body. Okay, and then will be stored or frozen. Next is the very critical part, which is the part that I also want to tell everybody. You have to undergo chemotherapy first. Only then, when your immune system is dropped, the stem cell can be reinjected back. Okay, so I can't make any statement right now, but you just think about, because you want to get younger, because you want to get healthier, and you want to undergo chemotherapy because of that. You think about this. Okay, so allogeneic is where you use the also human but another human being. So xenogeneic means is different species already. You use another living things, another like animal stem cell. It's called xenogeneic stem cell. So I hope you all learned something from today's topic, and with this knowledge, I hope you understand you have made the best decision in your life. We can definitely age gracefully, live long, live well, and with the right knowledge, with the right way of communicating to your friends, we can also live prosperously. So in next class, we are going to talk about what are the stages of body recovery after using X39. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.